Action.
This is my first channel. Let's go. By the way, I'm not a huge gorilla. This is me. This is just a huge bedroom. Rubber gorilla suit. Okay. Yahoo! Ow! Okay, that hurt. Okay. Mr. Producer, can you open this? Okay. There. Thank you. It appears to be a leaf having its own personal ice. And here's Batman. Batman, what are you doing there? The Joker froze me. Okay, that's weird. Let's jump on this. Ow! Okay, let's not do that. Yeah. I didn't do that. They fly. Ow.
I'm going to film the gorilla by itself when you get so close to it. You gotta hold it back.
This is cool. I'll take a picture of it. Ow. Okay. Let's go inside again. I'll use my summoning thing. Alright. I hereby summon the camera. Okay. I got my camera. And I'm going to take a picture of this cool thing. Okay. I'm gonna leave you there. Now, Sophie, what are you doing up there? I couldn't find my doghouse. Okay. Get off! Ah! Ow! Let's go. Let's see. I'm gonna sit in here for a minute. I think I hear a bird. Now where could the bird be coming from? Never mind. I think I can hold it. Yeah! Don't move here. It's a dinosaur. Oh, cool, that lizard. Ooh, look at that. Look at the lizard. Yo, camera guy, get that.
Doesn't really focus on because of the tank. I'm going to give him some tickets. Can you stop?
Yeah. Hi. Yeah! See? I can fly! Wait, no I can't. Oh! Wait, oh, ow. Okay. Yahoo! Ow! Ow! End of part 1. Bum 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 bum!